Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You've got Joytokey installed and your controller connected. Now run the program as administrator so Windows grants full input access. Create a new profile immediately and give it a descriptive name so you can switch later. Once done, check the device list on the left and click any input to begin mapping. You'll see button and axis events appear live. This live feedback shows why mappings will work and helps you avoid accidental duplicates. Now map your primary controls. Select a button entry and press the keyboard key or mouse action you want it to send. For analog sticks, open the Axis tab and map X/Y to WASD or cursor movement. Make sure to set a dead zone so sticks don't drift. Once mappings exist, fine-tune sensitivity and polling rate to reduce lag and jitter. Make incremental changes and test in short sessions so you understand how each slider affects responsiveness. Finish by saving the profile and enabling auto start if you need Joytokey running on boot. Then test in the target app. Press each button and confirm the expected keyboard or mouse event occurs. If you switch games, use hotkeys or the quick select list to load the correct profile. If things go wrong, rerun Joytokey as administrator, verify Windows recognizes the controller, and check for conflicting software that captures inputs. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.